clinical coding in Indian scenario, I just want to share you some points only, not a boring one. That is, first is history of coding, everybody knows about it. Initially, London only announced that weekly bill of mortality in the century of 17th century. They have started analyzing the mortality cases. Then clinical coding begins in the year 1850. First of all, they have done it for cause of death. In the year 1893, International Statistical Institute captured mortality data, and WHO then took over the ICD in 1948 and included morbidity also. In the year 1967, World Health Assembly adopted ICD and then continues. Then we came to know that commonly used ICDs are, in general, ICD-10, that is International Classification of Statistical Analysis, Diseases, and ICD-O for oncology. In coding systems used in India are ICD-10, most common, everybody knows about it, ICD-10 only we are all using, and CPT, current procedural terminology, in some of the hospitals using, and CDT, current dental terminology, and HCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System, and NDC, National Drug Codes. Then uses of ICD classifications are, ICDs are useful only to healthcare practitioners, for government to define the public healthcare, and researchers and epidemiologists for studies, and students. Uses of coded data. The coded data are used for, first of all, disease trending in demographic group of geographical area. That is, in one state, if communicable diseases arrive, just like dengue fever or something, then the demographic group is studied. And disease registries like cancer registry, tuberculosis registry, and hypertension cases are studied. And cause of death statistics like how many cases occurred in cancer cases or other cases, like surveillance, TB, tuberculosis, hospital utilization purposes also coding is used. And injury statistics for MLC cases, they are taking how many MLC cases are attained in a year. Then they can define a policy. Evaluation of healthcare and public health interventions. Then it takes some studies over the public health, and determining overall health of the population. So health for all are defined according to ICD coding based only. And reimbursement strategies through insurance companies or government agencies. It's a valuable point that coding is defined and used. And the purpose of using ICD classification, mainly the doctors and any researchers, they are using for research and audits, especially for a case if our doctors are asking some cases of glycogen diseases or any biliary atresia. So they are taking it and taking a study, doing that study, and it is used. Then healthcare resource allocation. Then according to some infectious disease occurred in that area, so government is taking that statistics from, collecting statistics from all over hospitals and doing some remedies. Epidemiological study purpose, that is also infectious disease and all. Now recently tuberculosis is revised, policies are revised, and they are taking a study. And clinical benchmarking. Some hospitals from ICD only, hospitals are and qualities are benchmarked, care of the patients, and case mix management, and for storage and retrieval of analysis of health related problems, give a scientifically proved data to national and international agency for making a policy. Just I said that revised tuberculosis policy and cancer cases prevention policies and all taken based on the ICDs only. And why we are using ICD codes? It is mandatory. These are the Act says IRDA, that is insurance that is regulatory development accreditation of insurance companies. Insurance protocols said for hospitals that is mandatory for ICD-10 and ICD-10 PCS for procedures. Then EMR, that is a notification of EHR standards of India, that is MOH, in the year 2016 developed that act. It says that ICD is mandatory. And NABH accreditation, if you go for NABH accreditation, ICD is must for procedures as well as for diagnosis. Then the latest one, Clinical Establishment Act 2010 says that every hospital should have, that is 3 classifications, and out of the major above 500 bedded hospitals, above 200 bedded hospitals, they must have that inpatients admissions. In that, ICD coding is mandatory. Then coding training in India, as we came to know that last 2 days, that many coding trainings are there, but especially in CBI, CBHI and Director of General of Health Services and Ministry of Health Welfare Association, in collaboration with the WHO, they are conducting a yearly twice coding classes. And these are the IRDA protocols for hospitals. Diseases must be coded with ICD-10 and procedures must be coded with ICD-10 PCS and or any other. Then these are the formats every insurance companies for claim form they are using it. All the insurance TPAs should have this claim form. It says that ICD-10 is for a primary diagnosis and additional diagnosis and comorbidities. And then for procedures, ICD-10 PCS, they have entered. So now, this is our part that medical health records professionals, we have to codify all the classification of diseases for insurance purpose as well as in the disease studies. 1 second. What we should have as our key proficiency in, for coding, knowledge of medical terminology is important, and anatomy as well as and physiology, proficiency with the different payers, that is specific coding requirements as per TPAs or insurance companies, what they are telling, that we should have an up-to-date knowledge and continued education for updating coding skills, robust auditing practices, whether that coding is audited properly, and we should have auditing practices and follow industry best practices, latest trends we should adopt. And conclusion, in the near future, all the hospitals should be forced to implement EMR. There will not be a huge medical records department available in the hospitals as we see today. For the future of HIM professionals, coding and clinical documentation improvement trainings will help them in shaping their future and sustaining in this field. Thank you. All the best for a future HIM future. Thank you.
Now it's time for asking 2 questions, 2 or 3 questions. We are on time. Thank you, ma'am, for the... Any questions from the coders? She has just given a presentation about coding from an Indian perspective, so no questions? No. Ma'am, you want to ask? Ma'am, I have a question. What is the purpose of this data? Like how the data being used, other than for the reporting purpose? What are the other purpose of the data, the coded data?
Research studies they are using it, and diseases and registries purpose, mainly public health services only using the data, and hospitals study and research purpose only they are using it.
Thank you, ma'am, for this very good presentation.
Thank you.